Hi, my name is Anonymous. I'm a reporter with a major news outlet. And we are at location today for the premiere of a brand new series called Animal Friends. So, this series is all about kids learning cool things from their animal friends. And each episode is going to be focused on a different animal. So, today we're talking about turtles. So, as you can see, this is a very special turtle. This is a box turtle. It's one of the only turtles in the world that can retract its head completely inside its shell. So when it feels threatened, it can just pull its head in like that. And you can see it has these big brown eyes. That's how you know it's a box turtle. If you have a big brown eye like this guy, you're a box turtle. So what's your favorite thing about being a box turtle? You want to tell us? You don't want to tell us. Okay, maybe later. We're going to learn all about box turtles because they are very special. So, this first episode of Animal Friends is all about turtles. Did you know there's over 300 species of turtles around the world? There are some big ones, there are some small ones. Some live in the ocean, some live on land. Turtles come in all shapes and sizes, but all turtles have a shell. A turtle's shell is like their home. They carry it with them wherever they go. And a turtle's shell is made out of bone. That's right. It's not made out of anything hard like rock or metal. It's actually made out of bone. The top part of the shell is called the carapace. That's the top part, and the bottom part is called the plastron. And these two parts are connected by these bony plates, and that's what makes up a turtle's shell. Turtles also have something called scutes. These are the things on top of the shell. They're kind of like skin, but they're a little bit thicker. And they help protect the turtle from things like sunburn and scrapes and scratches. Every single turtle has a unique shell pattern, just like every person has a unique fingerprint. And the color of a turtle's shell can tell us how old they are. Baby turtles have a lighter colored shell, and as they get older, their shell gets darker and darker. And as you can see with this guy, his shell is almost black, so he must be a pretty old turtle. Another cool thing about turtles is that even though they're reptiles, so they're cold-blooded, they can't control their body temperature, so they have to sunbathe to warm up. And if they get too hot, they have to find a shady spot to cool off. Kind of like you and me. Just like us, turtles need to eat and drink to survive. Most turtles are carnivores, which means they eat meat. Some turtles will eat fish or other small animals, but this guy actually eats fruit. He loves eating berries and other small fruits. And even though turtles can live in both water and on land, most turtles need a source of water nearby to stay healthy. That's why this guy lives here at the zoo. They keep his habitat nice and moist for him so that he can stay happy and healthy. And just like you and me, turtles need to stay active to stay healthy. If they don't get enough exercise, they can get really sick. So that's why, here at the zoo, the animal care team will come in and move this log around every once in a while. That way, he has to walk farther to get to his favorite basking spot. So, keeping things like this is enrichment for the turtles. It makes him work a little harder to get where he wants to go. And turtles can live for many, many years. This guy is over 100 years old. So, that's why it's important for us to take care of turtles and make sure they have a safe place to live, just like here at the zoo. The animal care team takes really good care of this guy, and that's why he's lived such a long, happy life. That's all for now. See you next time on Animal Friends. Bye.